If you're in the Atlanta area and you're looking to have an artificial turf putting green installed in your backyard, then give us a call. If you're a contractor and you're watching this and you're wondering, how can I add artificial turf to my list of services and how can I get instruction and training, then head over to Dirt Monkey University, because we're going to have a step-by-step tutorial on how this project was built from the ground up. But let me give you a quick walkthrough, an overview of what this project is all about. So we're installing this artificial turf putting green. It's about 30 feet wide by about 24 feet deep. Around it, we're putting a fringe turf. Fringe turf is great if you're looking to chip golf balls and just have an area where golf balls will stop as it approaches the end of the turf. We have 3 putting cups installed in this green. We have 3 putting cups just like this that are installed in this green. What we're doing is we're going around and we're seaming it. So we're gluing the fringe turf to the artificial turf putting green. We're using Turf Bond glue. It's green in color, and that green color means that if there's any squeeze out, that it's not going to be nearly as visible as if you were using like a carpet glue, which we don't recommend, and we're going to tell you why in our instructional video. So this is built on a 4-inch compacted crushed stone aggregate base. On top of that, we put a very fine layer of granite sand. That's how we get it smooth like glass. So if you're looking for the ball to roll perfectly, this is a critical step and component in it. Behind me, what's happening right now is they're getting ready to seam the very last piece of turf. What we have is we have a white seam tape. If you've ever installed this and you've seamed it, you will see a lot of times in poorly installed applications where people are using things like filter fabric or weed barrier fabric. It's not quite the same as seam tape. It's close, but you've got to use the correct seam tape. We're going to go in and inch by inch, we're going to lay these 2 pieces together, which have been very carefully cut. We show you all of these cutting instructions on the full tutorial video, again available at Dirt Monkey University. But we're going to go through and we're going to seam this. After it's done being seamed, we're going to be spiking this down, and this is secured with 6-inch spikes all throughout the turf. So first we start by securing the perimeter and where it connects at the seams, and then we go through and we spike it down in the field of the turf itself. This means that this turf is never going to come up. Even if you have dogs that want to pull at it or dig at it, this is a great way to hold this turf down to the ground, even with some of the most aggressive dogs. This is widely used in pet applications, pet kennel applications, and so even if you're not interested in an artificial turf putting green, you might have a portion of your yard that's very shady or has water problems or has heavy pet traffic, and artificial turf can be a great alternative to that. So I hope you've enjoyed this artificial turf project. I can't wait to show you the finished picture, but I wanted to give you a glimpse at what this is, and again, a full tutorial start to finish of how you can get into the artificial turf business if you are a contractor, and how you can reap the benefits of doing it and doing it correctly so you can be the most professional provider in your service area. Thanks. Hope that helps. Have a great day.